The engine 482 is getting ready to pull out of here. The smoke's getting blacker. The conductor or the train driver, I don't know what he's called. Is he the conductor? I don't know. He's in his place. It's 8:30. He's looking back to see if everybody's got the steps pulled up. That we hear a toot here in a minute or so. And it's underway, it's moving. This is a very busy day. It's the 4th of July. They're actually running 4 trains today instead of 3, and they have all the cars that are available to them on, spread out on those 4 trains. As you can see, it's pretty full. Although I think I saw some of the upper end cars and empty seats like this one. This is one of the luxury cars. It's mostly empty. Nice big leather seats in it. It's totally empty. My car is something like this one. Except mine's silver. And it's the last car in the first train. So this is my car. I'm on the Silver Vista, which is glass roofed. No windows or anything to obstruct the view. Ceiling is clear. Should be a great view. Cars come just plummeting down the hill. Thank you.
Okay.
Very cool.
Oh.
That's the money winner.
Oh, fantastic. What a perfect day.
You can scoot in if you want to.
That's fine.
I'm way out on the side here.
Okay, now I can go from here too. Okay. Oh. There are some rapids. So the one lady says to for the guide. I'm a little nervous. He says, "Wait, close your eyes and hope the horse doesn't." Real comforting, huh?
The horse knows what to do. We're right at the edge, man.
Oh, I see
That is
what you
straight
mean.
down.
Whoops. We're from Buffalo, New York, so we're
Okay.
from near the falls, and
Yep.
you know, there's some rapids there.
I'm originally south of Erie, Pennsylvania, so
Oh,
I've been to the
okay.
falls many times.
Okay, I have a brother that lives in Erie.
I don't live there anymore, but where I grew up. I went to grad school in Buffalo, actually, at SUNY Buffalo.
Oh my goodness. Okay, good. Yeah, I got a son graduated from there. All three of our kids were in Sun City.
Going across this river crossing. It's called the High Bridge, according to this guy. Going over it right now. Stopped here and filled up our water tank so that we can make steam to further climb up the hill. Take the water from that perk right there, and this little thing filled up our tank. Canyon here. It started to rain. Yeah, there's beautiful down below, but now it's taking a turn